Hi everyone, this is Jonathan James Kramer from Storylift, and we are in the Storylift studio. We have a special guest, Hilary Kemptner, digital marketing consultant, who's helped us out with so many things at Storylift. We thought we'd bring her into the studio and ask her a couple questions. Welcome, Hilary.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Thank you for coming. Now, we don't have much time, so I want to ask you, what is one of the most common mistakes you see brands making on social media?
Okay, good question. One of the most common mistakes I see brands making on social media is this feeling that they have to be on every channel across every platform. Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat.
We see that on their email signatures and websites, like all these different social media buttons. I'm like, I don't know which one do you want me to go to.
Exactly.
I'm just one human.
And hey, behind the camera, there's just one human trying to do all that marketing. My advice to them is to pick one platform and do it well. Really get to know it, really get to know your audience on that platform. Once you've mastered that platform, let's call it Facebook, then move on to an Instagram. And then really acknowledge your audience and the audience types on each platform. Another mistake I see people making a lot lately as video continues to dominate the marketing world and all of the internet, is this trend where a brand has decided, I'm going to spend $5,000, I'm going to make a really professional video, and it's going to be awesome. And we do that, we execute it, video's awesome, everybody's excited about it. And then I go back and I look at the video 6 months later just to see how it's done. And this $5,000 video has like this $5,000 video has like 34 views on YouTube.
Okay.
So the mistake there is they're not using that video, they're not integrating that video or creating a strategy around it. So from one piece of content, you can create so much more content and get it out on different channels. The other mistake I see people making a lot lately with video is they don't have a purpose. What is the purpose of your video? What, are you trying to educate them on your product or your service? Are you trying to educate them on your brand? Are you talking to people who already know your brand? What is the end goal? If you don't have a strategy surrounding these things, you kind of you glaze the surface.